What's happening, guys? Back to workshop again. Another wee few bits and pieces to get done today. I'm too crazy. New set of plugs to throw in. Nice and simple, get that done. The fuel line that we put on with everything last time, it's still being held on by cable ties. That was just supposed to be a temporary thing to get it home and get it back down. That's been on for 2 weeks now. Maybe that, safe enough. So we're going to throw on a set of P clamps today. Get it all nice and secure. And first things first then, let's get these plugs in. Want to see something interesting? So the last person to put plugs in this wasn't me. I know, I haven't put plugs in it the whole time. I phoned it bad, yada yada yada, whatever. I don't know if you can see. Try and get the right angle here. No, you can't really see. But basically, whoever was the last one to do a set of plugs on this has lost the wee rubber bit off the plug socket and it's stuck to the top of the spark plug. Trying to get a fucking pick or something down there, get that off, and then we get the plug out. So there we go. That was enough to turn a 5-minute job into 20 minutes, something like that. Beating the ass. But as you can see, they were definitely due a change. Got a fair bit of oil on some of them, but I think we just need a rocker cover gasket. Oh, look at the fucking light. You can see she's a bit weepy anyway in certain places, so rocker gasket next on the list. Recover a stranded fucking Ford Connect. You know it's bad when you have to send a fucking drift car to recover your fucking tow vehicle. Fuck's sake. Jesus Christ. So there we go. After breaking 3 out of these 4, taking it off, we have new anti-roll bar bushes, the polyurethane yokes, the drop links, and I'll fit them max speed and rod coilovers back in, because we took them out to have a wee bit of a check and a bit of a clean at them there. So we're running, probably can't see here, but we're running just standard shocks with 55mm lowering springs. That definitely wasn't as good as the coilovers, to be honest. Like, so yeah, there we go. Fucking hell, that was a complete fucking nightmare, that. But it's done. Getting there. Nearly time to move on to the front. So there we go. There's the RC input back together. Just need to try and remember what dampening setting I had these at last time, and fuck about that. Usually run the back a wee bit softer than the front, so it helps her squat down, get a wee bit of grip. So there we go. Just the front to go now. Hopefully shouldn't take too much longer. We're getting there. We feel our wee bits pieces to sort out while she's here and while she's like that. A wee bit to do with the exhaust and stuff still, but I think before we go any further, it's time for a sit down to fucking smoke break or something like. So this is just heading too old for this. This channel needs to hurry up and fucking, this team needs to hurry up and blow up into something. Hire our own mechanic in the workshop, so all I have to do is just bounce the car, go fucking racing, have a good time, break it, and that's all. I can't worry about it. If anybody's interested, hit us up. Yeah, I'll be getting fucking paid. I don't like, but you know, whatever. That's her all back together. Just a wee bit of a clean, and that'll do this for the day. We'll get up the road and see how she's getting on. Well, what's happening, guys? It seems to be her all sorted now. Took it a quick test drive, never got down to the workshop there today. Everything seems dead on. To get a good fucking run on her here and see if we stick that fucking wallowy feel out of it, but so far it's definitely a hell of a lot tighter. Got to have the coilovers back in. It's so much more of a comfortable drive with the coilovers, man. I can't even tell you. Like, it's one last point, just quickly. Some of you may have seen on our Facebook and on the Instagram, the boys over at Zero Traction have kindly provided us our own discount code to pass on to you guys. Code is REC10. Gets 10% off everything on their site. Again, I'll try and remember to link that down below. So it's Zero Traction, does wicked products. You know, if you follow us on the Instagram or Facebook, you already know that I run the rack spacers and drift button in this. And honestly, guys, like they're fucking quality products. Like, say rack spacers for ISD100, do some Toyota stuff, your JZX chassis, different S chassis variations, load of different BMWs, your E46, E36, and MX5, both NA and NB. So you know the stuff's not dear, but with an extra 10% off as well, you really fucking can't go wrong. So yeah, guys, you know, support people, support us, and that's all. Thanks very much. We'll see you later.